everybody, it's Josh at All Terrain Auto Care in Knoxville, Tennessee. Today we're installing the JeepCables.com Big 7 kit on this 2020 JL Rubicon. So why do you want to do this kit again? Well, let's talk about it. He's got a winch. He wants to add further accessories on down the road. We need something that'll be able to handle that amp load. So what we're going to do today is with the shop master technician Tony, we're going to go through and show you how to install it so you can actually see what is the big difference.
We're working on a JL Wrangler. And we're going to try to put these Jeep cables on here. This kit is the one that doesn't come with the sheathing, so it's a little more basic, but it will install just the same. First thing we're going to do is isolate the batteries. We don't want any arcing, we don't want anything catching fire. So first thing we're going to do is make the electrical system safe. Let's start getting all this stuff disconnected. Split open with these cables together. One of these is the off-spec cable. This is going to go here, and lower down it's going to go to the frame. So let's see if we can get that routed down there and ready to install. There's our fender side, and that's going to go to your battery negative cable. It's going to be something like this when we're done. All right, we got our 250 amp A and L fuse. This uses a 220 amp alternator, so we're going to use the 250 on this one. It's the alternator cable. We're going to run it to the fuse. There we go. This is going to go from the fuse to the fuse box. Put the cable on. This is our starter cable. We're going to run down there and have it hang. And we're ready to install it on the starter side. And now we have it right here at the battery post end. And we have our main cables here. Now in the future, if you want to add accessories, all you have to do is just pop them right here on the other end. Put your nut on. And there you go. Turn it on. Tighten it down. We are going to mount this A&L fuse holder right here because it's just a convenient spot for it. The cables can live there without too much stress on them. Honestly, it doesn't look that bad. And there we go. Mount it up. When you connect these batteries, of course, you always want to connect your positive first and your negative second, and vice versa when removing. And you may see a little bit of an arc when you're removing your negative or connecting your negative. That's completely normal. There's nothing wrong at all with that. Don't freak out, it'll be okay. These Jeeps are equipped with an ammeter, and that connects to the battery negative. Now what we did is we used a bracket that connects these two. So the PCM will be happy, your charging system will be happy, and we just used a metal bracket.
Thanks to JeepCables.com, we've got a new home for these.